2022 Woodward Dream Cruise. We're going to take a look at some of the sights, sounds, and smells, so stay tuned. We're at Dugan's Irish Pub. This is the epicenter of the Woodward Dream Cruise. Great place to see the cars, great place to hang out, music in the background. Awesome place for the sights, sounds, and smells. So if you're ever in the area, stop by Dugan's Irish Pub. Not too far from Dugan's Irish Pub is the Ford Performance area. We're going to go in and check things out here. I hear that there might be a new Bronco Raptor in there. Let's go take a look. Alright, our next stop is Mustang Alley. This is the start on 9 Mile down in Ferndale. So we're going to take a walk up and down here, and we're probably going to see hundreds of different Mustangs, pretty much any style that you can find out there. So we'll take a look at some of the pretty cool ones, and let's go. So behind me is Como's. This is on 9th and Woodward. This is a great Italian restaurant. Also has a really cool outdoor patio and so forth. Great place to watch it. This is really the start of the Dream Cruise. So on Friday night, they go ahead and they get started with all the safety vehicles from various years and dignitaries and so forth. So if you're ever in Ferndale, stop at Como's. Great place to eat and see the sights. All right, next to Como's is a Ford Performance. This is basically the start of Mustang Alley on the east side of Woodward. So we're going to take a trip on down there and take a look and see what we can find. And hopefully we see some pretty cool rare cars. Well, that's going to wrap up our day at the Woodward Dream Cruise. It's been a great afternoon, lots of great stuff. People are starting to take off and starting to cruise up and down Woodward. So hope everybody enjoyed themselves, and make sure that you like and hit subscribe to our channel. And we're going to be at the Cruising the Coast in Biloxi Gulfport here the second week of October. So hope to see you there. Take care.